Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Max class. I am your Max teacher from United Public School, Tandoor. What we are discussing? We are discussing our revision, FA1 revision. In that first bit is completed, Nama. Today we are discussing about the second bit. What is that? Solve any two questions. Okay, just three question is there in the second bit. Three question is there, ma. Among the three, you have to write any two. Okay. Your wish. I am explaining the three question now. What is that? Find 12 rational number between -1 and 2. Okay. You have to write the rational number between these two numbers. Okay. -1 and 2. Let's see. -1. Okay. First, it is a rational. We want a rational number. That means this number also we have to convert in the rational number. Then only we can find the number. We can easily find the rational numbers. Okay. First, we need to convert these two numbers. These two integer. It is an integer. We need to convert into the rational number. Then only we can find the rational number between these two numbers. Okay. -1 into 10 divided by 10. 2 into 10 divided by 10. Okay. Just we have to multiply the 10 by 10 and 10 by 10 because 10 ones are 10 ones are get cancelled. Again we get -1. 10 ones are 10 ones are get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 again we get 2. Okay. Just you have to here the first this integer we have to multiply divided by 10. For this integer we have to multiply divided by 10. Okay. Here -1 into 10 is -10 divided by 10 as it is here. 2. Just you have to multiply the numerators, denominator should write as it is. Okay, let's see the next point. 2 tens are 20 divided by 10 as it is. Okay, we need to find the rational number these two numbers. Okay, because 10 ones are 10 ones are again -1, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20 means again we get 2. -1 and 2. When we find these two, when we find the rational number between these two numbers means see, that rational number should be in between -1 and 2. Okay, let's see. At the one end you have to take the -10 by 10 and the another end you have to take 20 by 10. Okay, here -10 before that 9 by 10, 8 by 10, -8 by 10, -7 by 10, -2 by 10 up to so on -1 by 10. Okay, 0. What is another end? 20 by 10 means 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10 up to so on plus 19 by 10. Only what we want? Only 12 rational number. Okay, 12 rational number we want. Just you have to select any 12 among these now. Okay, here to here you have 19, here to here you have 9. Among this you have to choose any 12 rational number. The rational number from between -1 and 2 is I am choosing 1 by 2, 2 by 1, -1 by 10, 2 by 10, -3 by 10, -4 by 10, -5 by 10. Okay, I'm taking some negative and some positive. 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, plus 1 by 10, plus 2 by 10, plus 3 by 10, plus 4 by 10, plus 5 by 10. Okay, plus 9 by 10, plus 19, -19 by 10. Plus 19 by 10. Just I am choosing this rational number. You can take any other rational number. It's your choice. If you write this rational number, it's your wish. Okay, this is the process. Just it is a very simple problem. Just you have to multiply, divide with 10. Just you have to multiply the numerators. Take one value in one end and another one is another end. Just you have to take the between numbers. You can write easily. Okay, just among these numbers you have to choose any 12. Okay, let's see the second one of the second bit. Express the following decimal in the rational form. P by Q is equals to 12.28 bar. Okay, this is a decimal point number. Compare. Look at this. It is a decimal or not? Yes, it is a decimal. Okay, it is a decimal number. It is a decimal number. We have to convert into the P by Q. Okay, P by Q form we have to convert. Let's see what is the process to convert. Here bar is there. Bar means repeated. We cannot find how many numbers after decimal. We cannot remove the bar. Okay, this is some process. Let's see the process. Let's see the second one answer. Given that, okay, we need to convert the P by Q form now. First step is given that let S is equals to 12.28 bar. Okay, 12.28 bar. Here X is equals to 12. What is bar? Bar means repeated. Okay, just we have to repeat it 4 times and write so on. Take it as equation 1. The periodicity of above equation is 1. Periodicity means repeated number. How many numbers is repeated? Only 8 is repeated number. Here 2 8 repeated is there? No, it is only 8 is repeated, means that the periodicity of above decimal is 1. Okay, up to that clear? Just you have to write x value as it is, bar value you have to repeat it, just you have to write the sentence, the repeated of the decimal, the periodicity of the above decimal is 1. Okay, because the periodicity means repeated number. How many number is repeated? Only 8 is repeated number, 8. Okay, so multiply the equation 1 with 10, we get. Okay, if one number is repeated, I am multiplying 10. If 2 numbers is repeated, we have to multiply 100. If 3 numbers is repeated, we have to multiply with 1000. Okay, only we have to multiply with 1. We have to multiply periodicity is 1, we have to multiply with 10. Okay, just which equation we have to multiply? Okay, the equation 1 we have to multiply with 10. Okay, here the equation 1, just you have to multiply LHS and RHS with 10. Okay, 10 into x LHS is equal to, as it is, 10 into 12.288, so on. Okay, 12 into x is 10 into x is 10x. Here we have to multiply only 10 with this decimal, means that only how many zeros? Only 1 0, means that this decimal point should be pass only one number. If having the 100, if you have 100 means 2 zeros, means that the decimal number will be passed after 2 numbers from towards right side. If you have 1000 means 3 zeros, the decimal will be passed 3 numbers towards right side. I hope you understand my words. Let 10 is there, means the decimal will be passed only one number, means 122.888 here. Okay, just 12 after 2 points is there, after passing 122 decimal point 888. Let it be equation is 1. Second step, it is very important step. Don't forget to write this step. In so many assignment, you are girls and boys, you are not writing this step, just afterwards you are writing these steps. You are not writing this step. It is very important. If you not write this step, we cannot accept this answer in exam. Let's see how can you write. Subtract the equation 1 from the equation 2. Equation 1 we have to subtract from this equation. Okay, just you have to write the second equation. We have to subtract these two equation. Second equation we have to write 100x is equals to 10x is equals to 122.888. you have to write. Okay, what is first? I am writing the second equation. What is first equation? X is equals to 12.2888. Okay, just I am writing the first this equation, afterwards first equation. Subtract 9x by x is equals to 10x by x is equals to 9x. 9 1, 10 minus 1 is 9. From here you have to subtract 0 minus 8 minus 8 is 0, 8 minus 8 is 0, 8 minus 8 is 0, 8 minus 2 is 6. Decimal should be right as it is. Now don't forget to write decimal. You have to write decimal. 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 1 as it is. Okay, what after decimal? 0 after decimal you cannot consider. Okay, 9x is equals to 110.6. 110.6. 9x is equals to, okay, when we remove the point, what will happen? We divide the 10. How many numbers after decimal? Only one number, means that we have to divide with 10. Okay, just I am removing the decimal here. We are dividing with 10. Whole number should be right as it is. Just you have to divide the 10 because we have one number after decimal. Okay, x is there, 9 is multiplied. We need to find what? X value. Here the 9 is there. If you go to this, it become divide. Okay, here multiplication is there, 9 is multiplied here. Go to that side, it become divide. Okay, let's see the next step. X is the number. Just I am writing same step. When we multiply the both number, we get, when we cut this number with the 2's table. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10, again 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. 8 is equals to 53. 553 divided by 45. It is in the form of p by q or not ma? Just decimal point is there. We are converting into the p by q. This is the second and one answer. Let's see the third one. What is the third one question? Two pieces of length 2 of 3 by meter, 2 into 3 by 5 meter, and the second piece is 3 into 3 by 10 meter and cutted off from the rope of 11 meter. What is the remaining length? Okay. अब्बा की क्या करता है पैसा खामोश लिख रहे हैं तो मिट डरा है तो आके डरा है इसको सब करूं क्या करूं फिर भी सुन रहे हैं जम्मा अल्लाह लेकिन फिर भी मेरे ग्रुप के तो ऐसा नहीं था खामोशी बैठ वो बच्चे समझदार थे लेकिन हाँ वापस गए सब बदमाश हाँ परसों के बहुत आवाज़ कर रहे हैं फिर भी खामोश बैठे हो ये एक प्रॉब्लम है फैन डालते हैं नहीं सर्दी भी है उड़ रहा है हाँ डालो Here is a rope ma. The first length of first piece, second piece is given, and the length of whole rod is given. We have to find the remaining length na. First length, the length of the first piece is 2 into 3 by 5 meters na. Just it is a mixed fraction. We have to convert into the normal fraction. 2 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13 by 5. The length of second piece is 3 into 3 by 10 means 10 3 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33 by 10. The length of third piece, okay, third part we have to find na. Just we are taking the s. The length of the total length of the rope is 11 meter na. Just add the 3 pieces. I am adding the 3 pieces. Just you have to multiply this two. Just you have to take this number. The x1 is no need to touch the x value. Okay, just you have to simplify these two number. When we get the LCM of this is 10. The LCM of these two numbers is 10. When we get 10, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are number, 5 2s are 10. The 2 we have to multiply this. 13 2s are plus 10 1s are 10. What when we get 1s are 1 13s are 133 is a 33. Okay, x is as it is. I am writing here. 32 13 2s are 26 and 33 1s are 33. Divided by 10 plus x is plus 11 as it is. Okay, remaining terms is as it is. Just we have to simplify these two terms. Let's see. Same step I am writing here. 26 plus 33 plus 10 is equals to plus x is equals to 11. Okay, and when we add this 59 by 10 plus x is equals to 0. The plus 59 by 10 go to the side, minus 59 by 10. When we LCM, what is the LCM? 10. Okay, 1 tenza. When we get 1 tenza means tenza. That 10 you have to multiply. That 10 we have to multiply the numerator means 11 tenza. 11 tenza. Okay, minus is that 10 1s 10 1s 10 means 1 59s 159s. Okay. 11 10s 110 minus 59 1s 59 by 10. X is equals to, when we subtract both the numbers, 51 by 10. Okay, it is a normal fraction. We need to convert into the mixed fraction. How? With the help of division. Okay, here I am doing the division. 51 by 10. 5 10s are 50. 5 10 5s are 50 means 5 you have to write 5 1 by 10. Okay, this value, this fraction we have to write the mixed fraction. 5 into 1 by 10 meter. The length of the remaining rope is 5 into 1 by 10 meters. This is the process ma. In third B 3 question is there ma. 3 question I am explaining the 3 questions. You need to write any to answer your choice. I explained the 3 question and the whole question paper you have to write and submit in the group ma. Okay, thank you.